Okay, so Nicole, you know that I'm new to gardening, and new gardeners like myself often struggle with simply keeping our plants alive. Do you have any tips?
Yeah, so it's not too hard. You just have your basic like watering and sunlight needs for plants. It really comes back to soil and soil quality. So when your soil that you're planting in is just has really nice nutrition with like compost and organic matter and proper filtration, your plants will just grow very healthy naturally, and then this helps prevent disease and pest issues.
And then, is there a certain way that we need to plant the plants?
Oh, definitely. So depending on what you're planting, they have different like spacing requirements. So you need to make sure you know how big your plant's going to get when it's in maturity, so you can plant them at the right spacing, and you want to make sure that you're planting them in the right depth too. So not too deep. You don't want your plant sitting on top of the soil, but right in line with your soil surface.
Okay, so make sure that you have the correct soil, make sure that the spacing is correct. Do you have any other tips that might help us?
Mulching can help you a lot. If you don't want to be in your garden all the time, mulch can help because it keeps the soil moist after a watering, and then it also helps suppress weeds.
Okay, I feel so much better now. Okay, I can go in and have the right soil, space correctly, and I'm using mulch so that I don't have to be in there all the time.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, thank you.
Of course.